Let's open our Pixellab. This is my Pixellab. Let me set the page size, image size. So the size for that design is 810 by 1080. That is 3 by 4 aspect ratio. This is the size. So I'm going to put a white background. I love starting my designs with white backgrounds like this. Let me delete this text. So we have this now. Let me import the design so that we can see it. This design was originally created by Olamide Akomu. We'll be bringing in our elements now. The first thing I'm going to bring in here is my background, which is this image. I can decide to take this up like this. Then once I bring it in, I'll lock it. Then I'll bring in my first shape, which is this shape. This one right here now that I removed the background. So just watch what I'll do here now. I'll rotate this. Let's say I'll give it 100, 105 rotation. Then I'll come to my relative size here. For the height, I'll take this to 100%. So I can have this. I'll put it like this. So I can have this. Alright. Then I'll bring in the other one, which is this. Alright. Now for this, I'm going to flip it vertical like this. Have this like this. Then I'll also use this relative size to bring it like this. Hope you're seeing what I'm doing. So we have this like this. Then for this, I'll go to color filters. For the blue one, then I'll give it a green shade. Okay, let me give it 77. After this, I will import my floor, which is this. Alright, so I just want like here like this. I just want here like this. So we have this. I can use this to increase it a bit. So after this, I can decide to lock this. So I'll bring in the image of the lady, which is this image. All these images, and say I'll bring her here. Let me increase her size a bit. Okay. Then he will be behind the floor like this. You can see. We'll bring in our juice. Now this juice that I got here now is I generated this juice. Everything here I generated it with AI. So I will drop a link on the description of this video that will guide you on how I generated this particular juice. You get, I didn't download it online. Everything is it was AI generated. So you can use AI for your designs. You can use AI for your designs. So this was generated with AI. So we have this image here now. Now if you watch the original design, you can see that their juice is looking like a shot. You get, so it's filling the space very well. But our juice, the one I generated, is kind of long. So I'm going to increase it like this so that it will give me that shape similar to what they have. Let me take it down a bit. I'm going to do something for this lady. So just watch what I will do here. I'll go to my Lightroom. I'll click here to add photo. Then I'll choose the image of that lady, which is this. Then I'll add. I will just click on the image. Then I'll go to edit here. I'll go to detail. Under my sharpening, I'll increase the amount. You can see the image is getting sharper. I will increase the amount. Under my radius, I will increase it a bit. For my detail, I will increase it a bit. Then for my effects, I'll come to effect. For clarity, I will give it more clarity. Increase the haze, increase it a bit. You can see the image is looking strong. Then you can give it a little grain. You can see what we had before, see what we have now. So from here, you can just save copy to device. Just go to photo room and remove the background. So we select the image. The background is being removed already. You can see. Just watch what I'm doing. Please ensure you subscribe to this YouTube channel and like this video. Comment to tell me if this video is helpful to you. So what we'll be doing now, we'll replay this image with that one we edited on Lightroom. So just click on the image, click on reselect here. Then this is the image. We'll remove this is the one without background. Just click it, you bring it in. You can see this one is looking stronger. So let's resize again. So I think this is okay. All right. We'll be writing Easter sales. So we'll bring in Easter here. Easter. So for this Easter, we'll change the color to white. Then we'll change the font. Now this is the font that I use. It's similar to the one the designer used for that design. So I am using base new trial super something. You get. Let me use the bold. Okay, let me use this one. All right. So I will increase the size. Let me use 130. And I will scroll to curve here and give it a, let me use bending 15% like this. Let me put it to the center like this relative position. Then I'll go to copy. I'll copy this, bring it here and put sales, Easter sale. Is it Easter sales or Easter sale? I should use, I think Easter sales. Let me check. Easter sales. Okay, sales. So we'll just increase the, then we'll go to color. We'll give it yellow color. All right. Yeah, this yellow. You can see the color. See the color FFEB3B. That's the yellow. You understand? This is the yellow. Then you take this your sales. You take this your sales down to be behind the lady like this. You can decide to lock this lady. You understand? Then the next thing you're going to be doing here, you add shadow effect to the text. Select this shape, this particular shape. Now this one, you select it. You know that we changed this color to green. It was blue normally. We use this hue effect here to change it to green. So the system is still seeing it, Pixellab is still seeing it as blue. So what we are going to do here now, we'll copy that shape, which is we'll copy it twice. So when we copy it twice, we'll have it two here. Now you select the two. This is how you do it. You click here. After clicking here, you select the two boxes here. After selecting, you just click here to merge. So we'll just click there to ask if you want to merge. Okay. Merge this. You can see that Pixellab is now seeing it as a green shape, not a blue shape. So you can just hide this. I just put this so that I can pick color. I can pick this green color when I want to give my shadow effect. I'll click my Easter text now, this one. Then I'll go to shadow, shadow, give it color. Then I'll come to pick color here. You can see I cannot pick blue because this one is showing me blue. That is why I had to do that, so that I will have this green like this. So I will just pick any green here. Pick any green here. Then put this green, this part now. Take it to the last so that I will have a very light green like this. You can see. Then I'll just say okay. You can see that shadow-like effect behind it around the text. Then you go to your sales, do the same thing for your sales. Shadow. Then you give it this. This is the green color. Easter sales. So what we are going to do next, we'll bring in our logo. This is Fruta logo. Alright. Now you reduce it very well. Let's reduce it. Let me give it 11. And I'll use my position to position it up like this. Alright. Then relative position, I'll just put so that it will be exactly at the middle like this. Then the next thing to do here now is to bring in that round star shape. Then you can just go to erase color here. It will remove the white. Then you give it color, white color like this. Then you reduce it very well. Bring it here like this. Alright. Then we write text. Bring it here. 20%. We change the font to, so I'm using this base new font family. You get, so I will just use base new black like this. Maybe I will put the font in the description of this video so that anybody can get the font. So once we put this now, I will give it orange color. To pick that particular orange, I'll have to pick color from this. You can see I can bring it down so that I will have a darker shade of the orange. So we have 20%. Copy this, copy, bring it here. Then we'll write discount. So we'll just reduce this, the size. So we can just add some effect to this. Let's just go to gallery. You see this is a picture I removed. I downloaded this picture. You get, this is the picture I downloaded. I removed the background to get this. So I'll just use eraser to remove this one because it's blocking the guest face. You can see. Let me remove this one that is blocking the E in the E star. Let me remove this. So I have this. I can decide to rotate this. Okay, this one, there is one that is showing on the girl's face. Alright. Like this. Let me erase this. Then I can decide to copy this. Bring it here like this. So I think we are done with this design. It's just to save it. Save as image. Just watch what I'm going to do on Pixellab. Just click on the plus. Edit an image or video, so we'll just click there. Then open our design. Open it. We'll come here. We'll click on add photo. Then we'll click on this light effect here. Then we'll add. Just watch what I'm going to do here. Then for this light effect here, we'll come to crop. You can see crop here. Then we'll bring this guy like this. Remove that part. I don't need that part. Then we'll just crop. Rotate. Like this. Okay. So I have this guy like this. So I'll just bring it here. We'll just scroll here. We'll go to free crop. Just follow what I'm doing. Go to free crop. Then you go to brush here. Then you click on this small triangular shape under the brush. It will bring out these options. You use here to choose the hardness. Make it soft like this. You can see. Then your size, you can just make your size maybe a little bit big like this. Then when you're done, just do this. You can see how I'm clicking it around the middle part. Don't allow it touch the edge. Around the middle part like this. Then you can say okay here. Then you have this. When you have this, you bring it here. You understand? When you are here, just come here, go to blend and go to screen. You can see that light effect that is here. You can just take it like this. You can come here, this layer, click on your layer, duplicate. Once you duplicate your layer, you bring your layer to this other part like this. Then for this one, you have to flip it to you know, you have to flip this. No, you have to flip it like this and take it to this other part like this. Then you save. When you're done, you save. Now this is the design. You can see how beautiful this design is looking. Please like this video, share it. Also replicate. You can also replicate this video and follow me. I will share my social media handles are in the description of this video. My You can share this. You can redesign this and share it with me. Tag me. You understand? And let me know if you have any flyer you would like us to recreate. Thank you so much. This is Mystic Graphic Designer. God has blessed you.